Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Today we are continuing with practice set number 17, lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. We are doing a few questions from practice set number 17. The first question is, write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. The first question is 15 degree. In the previous class we wrote the complementary angles of given angles. We will be following the same steps for supplementary angles also. The only difference is the sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So what will be the first step? Yes, let's assume that the supplementary angle is x degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. So what can we write? Then 15 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are supplementary. So x becomes 180 minus 15. 118 minus 15 is 165. So x is equal to 165. So the measure of the supplementary angle of 15 degree is 165. The supplementary angle of 15 degree is 165 degree. The remaining questions you can complete on your own. Follow the same steps. The second question, the measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. The measures of some angles are given here. You have to form complementary and supplementary pairs. Complementary means the sum of the measures should be 90. Supplementary means the sum should be 180 degree. So let's try first pairs of complementary angles. Angle B here is 60 degree and angle N is 30 degree. 60 plus 30 is 90. So you got the first pair, angle B and angle N. What kind of angles are they? They are complementary angles. Measure angle B is 60, measure angle N is 30. The sum of the two will give you 90. That means angle B and angle N are complementary angles. Let's take some more examples. Measure angle Y is 90 and measure angle E is 0. If you add the two, how much you will get? 90. So you can say that angle Y and angle E are also complementary angles. Same way, angle D is 75, angle F is 15. 75 plus 15 is 90. So angle D and angle F also forms a complementary pair. So using the same steps, you can write those angles also in your list. Now let us see pairs of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, the sum of their measures is 180 degree. So let's take one example. Here measure angle B is 60 degree and measure angle G is 120 degree. How much is the total? 120 plus 60 gives you 180. So this forms a supplementary pair. Same way, you have one more pair. Angle J is 150, angle N is 30. What is the total? 180. So angle N and angle J also form a supplementary pair. Measure angle B is 60, measure angle G is 120. The sum of the two is 180. Therefore, you can say that angle B and angle G are supplementary angles. Similarly, you can write about angle J and angle N. Please complete that also. The third question, in triangle XYZ, measure angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? I repeat the question. In triangle XYZ, measure angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. One angle is given as 90 degree. So let's see what type of angles do angle X and angle Z make. The sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore, we can write measure angle Y plus measure angle X plus measure angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Measure angle Y is given as 90 degree. So you can write 90 plus measure angle X plus measure angle Z is equal to 180. That means measure angle X plus measure angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, measure angle X plus measure angle Z is 180 minus 90 is again 90. So here you are getting the sum of two angles as 90 degree. So if the sum of the measures of two angles are 90 degree, what type of angles are they? They are complementary angles. So angle X and angle Z are complementary angles. So you can write the final answer. You can write angle X and angle Z are complementary angles. Now let's see question number 4. The difference between the measures of two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measure of the two angles. I'll read the question once again. The difference between the measures of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measure of the two angles. Two angles are there, they are complementary angles, and the difference between them is 40 degree. So let us take the measure of the smaller angle as x degree. Let the measure of the smaller angle be x. The difference between the two angles is 40, it's given. So if one angle is x, what will be the other angle? It will be x plus 40 because the difference is 40. Then the measure of the bigger angle is x plus 40 because the difference between the two angles is 40 degree. Now the next thing that is given is they are complementary angles. Now these two angles are complementary angles. The two angles are complementary. So what can you write? Therefore, the smaller angle plus the bigger angle is 90 degree. That means x plus 40 is how much? 90. X and x together will give you 2x plus 40 is 90. 2x is equal to 90 minus 40. 2x is 50. So your x is going to be 50 divided by 2. That means x is how much? X is 25. So your smaller angle is 25 degree. The bigger angle is x plus 40. That means x is 25. So 25 plus 40. That is 65 degree. So your one angle is 25 degree and the other angle is 65 degree. The measures of the required angles are 25 degree and 65 degree. The remaining questions will be taken in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and have a nice day. Thank you.